Welcome back to another video. Let A is equal to 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, y minus 1, B minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2. Then the number of elements in the set n comma m. Set n comma n. Number of elements in the set n comma m. N comma m belongs to 1 to 10. Okay. And n into a power n plus m into b power m is equal to I is. Now solution. A is equal to 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Okay, implies A square is equal to 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. That implies A square is equal to 2 into 2, 4, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, sorry. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. This is 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. That is equal to A. A square is equal to A. Similarly, A cube also A, and so on. A power n is equal to A. Okay. B is equal to minus 1 2 minus 1 2 implies B square is equal to minus 1 2 minus 1 2 into minus 1 2 minus 1 2. B square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 2 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 2 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 2, 4. This value is minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2. That is equal to B. B square is equal to B. B cube is equal to B. And so on. B power n is equal to B. A power n plus B power n is equal to A plus B. A plus B is 2 minus 2 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 2 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. That is equal, that implies that is equal to I. Okay, A power n plus B power n is m is equal to B power m is equal to I. Okay, we condition A power n into A power n plus B in m into B power m is equal to I. Here n is equal to 1, m is equal to 1. So the number of elements in the set n comma m is 1 comma 1. Only one set. Only one set. That's enough.